As I'm driving to the farm, well, the farm's right there, I realized that a bunch of this is knocked over. So I figured I'd make a video and explain it to you guys. So what happened here was, a couple nights ago, there was a thunderstorm, and it got pretty windy. What the wind does is it comes in here, and it'll knock all this wheat down. So that's where we get patches like this. It almost looks like deer were bedding here, but they're not, because otherwise they'd be eating here. So this is what wind damage looks like in a wheat field. Yes, this is a wheat field here. Did a pretty good damage. This stuff's still on the ground, still growing, because the stems aren't completely cracked. You can see down there. So this field should grow and yield decent at least. This field did not suffer from winter kill too bad. I know we have field over yonder that really suffered from wind kill, or winter kill, I should say, really bad. There's more up there. It's mostly right along our farm lane here, because there's nothing else to block the wind. But if we walk closer to the subdivision, here's another patch here that got wind damage. This whole bottom of the field is pretty well damaged by wind. But as long as the bottoms of the stems are not cracked, the wheat will grow. This whole bottom is a little bit covered in wind damage, but it will grow. Whether it'll be propped up again, I don't know. Might not grow the best if it's still on the ground and growing. But yeah, that is our update on wind damage in this wheat field.